Step 1. Unplug the water pipes on both sides of the pump and unplug the pump. Step 2. Remove the 4 screws fixing the water tank. Step 3. After confirming that all 4 screws have been removed, the water tank can be easily removed from the rear of the drone. The next step is to install the spreader on the drone. For the same principle, it is also fixed to the drone tripod by 4 screws. Please watch the video for details. Please note, the water tank inlet should be placed towards the direction of the drone head, where the camera is located. The last step, make sure that all 4 screws have been tightened to the tightest position. After the frame is firm and free of shaking, connect the power supply of the spreader.